Hello, my name is Alexandra Angarita Torres. I am 25 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Abrego. I am a student of the degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English. This is my seventh semester. Course English 7, English conversation task reflecting upon English language awards. What is the purpose of the course? Studying foreign language, sociolinguistics, and parenting competence through the accomplishment of oral production tasks in given sets, real-time interaction to communicate, and discuss affectively about complex issues. What are synchronous interaction activities? Synchronous interaction activities are those that happen in real time with instructor and student sharing a group or individual web conference. How many learning outcomes can you find in the syllabus? Learning outcome 1. Demonstrate oral skill to express fluency and spontaneous about different cultural subjects for social or academic purpose. Learning outcome 2. Discourse about or controversial using proof or arguments to convince a counter toward a specific point of view. Learning outcome 3. Interpreted external speech even when it is not clearly structured and when relationships are only in play and not signal explicitly. Learning outcome 4. Discrete complex subjectives with clear and detailed information developing particular points and rounding off with an appropriate conclusion. How many activities does the course have? The learning strategy is organized in 6 tasks. Task 1. Reflecting upon English language awareness. Task 2. Working in a quickly mandatory encounters. Task 3. Debating about controversial uses. Task 4. Speak part of Cambridge Sheward Advance. Task 5. Standardized test listening quiz. Task 6. Developing speech through a web conference system. Which activities in the course imply real-time interaction? Task 2. Evaluation of Task 2. Task 3. Evaluation Task 3. Task 4. Evaluation Task 4. Task 5. Evaluation Task 5. How you go on English language level certification? If not, what you consider your level is at present? I don't have English language level certification. I am currently at B2 level. How did you get the level you have now? I make a lot of effort to improve my English level. I have an established study schedule where I daily to do different activities, so listening music, watching movies, grammar review. There are several things that are really on the acquire more knowledge. We are we are just studying English as foreign language. I have like the language Science, I was a child. It was my favorite subject when I was in the school. That is why today I decided to become the teacher in this area. It has not been easy, but I feel very happy after many sacrifices and efforts. How is study? How is studying a language as an adult different from study it is a child? Studying learning language is a child has many advanced science we are exploring and acquire knowledge in a didactic and pedagogic way. Besides, their brains are just development and this facilitates learning even more study and language as an adult require more discipline perseverance because we are really have facilitation in these subjects. How long should you study foreign language? I think that the day you should keep in touch with the foreign language to keep improving and learning new thing in order to have better command of it. How can you make language learning a part of your life in the future? Nowadays, the mastery of the foreign language is fundamental. This is already part of my life science. I will work as a teacher in this foreign language in the future. Because of this, I must the acquiring and improve knowledge to have a better job preference because in this way I will acquire more opportunities. You, how can you organize lifelong language learning? I think that be keeping in a short where I do different activities such as talking with native speaking clubs, listening to song, watching movies in a foreign language, reading, attending lectures. At. Thank you.